Hey traders, welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 24th, 2025, and we're taking a look at USDJPY. We'll be digging into the latest news and then analyzing our charts to see what potential trades are setting up. According to recent news, the yen has recovered from a 5-week low as risk sentiment improves. We also saw a sharp sell-off in the US dollar. Deutsche Bank is also talking about something called the Pennsylvania Plan, but we won't delve into that too much for this video. Now let's switch gears and examine the daily chart. Looking at the daily candles, we can see a recent period of consolidation after some choppiness. We see that the USDJPY pair has generally been in a downtrend since about July 2024, where it was around 158, steadily declining to August 2024 to the 145 range. It's generally been in the 140s to 150s range since then, with some dips below 140 and some spikes above 150. Let's filter these candles so we can get a closer look at 2025 only. We see that in early 2025, the price was near 158 and steadily declined to the low 140s. Around April 2025, the price rebounded sharply, going from the low 140s to the high 140s. Since then, it has been consistently climbing to the 146 range, where we're currently at. The current price action on the one-day chart suggests sideways movement, so the short-term trend is difficult to predict. However, the daily chart shows that we could break above the 150 range if the momentum continues, but if we don't, we may fall into the 140 range. Now, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart for a more detailed view. On the 1-hour chart, there is clearly some resistance forming at the 148.00 range. If it can break through that resistance, it is likely to continue upward. On the other hand, the current support is around the 145.7 range, where it may bounce upward. This suggests some possible scalping opportunities. If we zoom in and examine today's 15-minute chart, we can see it's been going pretty flat today between 146.0 and 146.6 or so. It seems like it may be struggling to break the 146.0 range, but if it does, it may have good opportunities to move upwards in the short term. If it fails to break out, it may retest support at 145.7, but that may be unlikely in the short term. It looks like the current price is 145.917 on the one-day chart and downtrending. To recap, we're at around 145.9. Resistance is around 146.0, support around 145.7. A break upwards is definitely possible but not likely. I'd put it at around 30% chance in the short term. A strong bullish catalyst would require positive news regarding the U.S. economy combined with dovish signals from the Bank of Japan. For the longer term, I can't say much as the chart is really too unpredictable to say.